us all to what is an elementary education like, about engaging, integrating, evolving, talking to kids. Let's all bring the elements as told by Neena ma'am to our classroom situation now. Let's bring this to our classroom environment now. What is our classroom nowadays? Our home and the kids' home. And how are we going to talk to each other through this online platform? How we are going to ensure that our kids get this all-round development? That's why we thought that let's talk about elementary education. An education of heart. I quote Dalai Lama here, that if we have to educate the mind of our youth, we must first educate their heart. And how can we start to educate their heart? By making a space in their heart. From where we start making that space in our hearts? By using an elementary educational approach. I believe you all see my panda here. What is he coming to say to all of us? A big hello. So while we are using this online platform, as Neena ma'am said, let us get to the level of the kids. Let us see the world from their point of view. They all are at home right now. सब अपने घर पर हैं, screen के आगे बैठे हुए हैं. As teachers, as educators, it becomes our duty, and I believe it becomes a little bit of fun also to get to see the world from their side. Let's start with our presentation now. Why we are using this multidisciplinary approach, or let's say the elementary approach? How will we start educating our hearts? I may say I am a maths teacher. Somebody may say we are an English person. I am a social study person. But at the end of the day, we are human beings and we cannot compartmentalize education. Elementary education involves all the disciplines. चाहे English है, चाहे हिंदी है, चाहे EVS है, हम सबको उसको समावेश करके एक साथ लेकर चलना है और बच्चों से बात करनी है. So what is it actually all about? We will approach a topic from different disciplines and we'll integrate the knowledge. I am a maths person, but if my class is just about plus, minus, multiply, divide, solve karo, plus karo, minus karo, I believe they'll become very boring. Even I find it very boring. And for small minds, the crowd we are dealing with, the children we are dealing with, it becomes very boring. So let's combine more than one subject during our projects. Let's dissolve the boundaries of different subjects and make learning closer to real life situation. एक बच्चा घर में बैठा है. Let's take an example of a child जिसका भी नर्सरी में एडमिशन हुआ है, उसने स्कूल देखा भी नहीं है. Elementary education, jiska and in India, in all over the world in education, which is very important for the children. Let's make an attempt to bring the child, when the child is stepping out of the home, let's bring them closer to a world which is bringing them closer to life. And how is that possible? By encouraging them to apply knowledge in a practical and a hands-on way. चलिए अब हम start करते हैं कुछ. I believe we all know that all of us are dealing with this, that we are combining our subjects together, art, life, everything, and that is what interdisciplinary approach is all about. How it will help? It is generally student-centric, in interest of the kids. It will enhance their thinking, and I believe it opens avenues for us as teachers also. So let's have look at few examples. I'll encourage you all to chat now, and yeah, okay. I believe, please use your chat window. What do you see? I'll stop sharing my screen first. Okay. Okay, what everybody sees in my hand, I want to know. Please, you can write in the chat window. What do you see in my hand? Lemon, lemon, lemon. Okay. मैं तो इसको नींबू बोलूंगी. किसी ने नींबू नहीं बोला? लेमन है, ठीक बात है, नींबू भी है. ओके, अच्छा, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. येलो लेमन.
मलयालम में नारंगिया बोलते हैं, नारंगिया.
वेरी,
नारंगी
थैंक यू।
जैसे।
देखिए देखिए देखिए, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड, राउंड शेप। ओके, चलिए कितने नींबू है मेरे हाथ में बताइए? बिग, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड। हाउ मेनी डू आई हैव इन माय हैंड? वन, ग्रेट ग्रेट। चलिए चलिए, अब हम थोड़ी शेयरिंग करते हैं। शेयरिंग इज केयरिंग, मैं शेयरिंग में बिलीव करती हूँ। चलिए, अब आई एम कटिंग इट इनटू 2 इक्वल पीसेस। सी, गलत तो नहीं काट रही? 2 इक्वल पीसेस, ओके। चलिए चलिए चलिए, नाउ व्हाट डू आई हैव इन माय हैंड? बताइए बताइए आप। ये आपका, ये मेरा। क्या किया मैंने लेमन को? नो, दे आर नॉट 2 लेमन, इट इज 1 लेमन ओन। 2 हाफ्स, ओके। हाफ हाफ हाफ, वेरी ग्रेट वेरी गुड। आप बच्चे को क्लास में करके दिखाइए। मैं अपने घर पर हूँ, मुझे बच्चे से बात करनी थी। आप अपने घर पे करके दिखाइए। मुझे आंसर आपने दिया कि मैम आपने लेमन का हाफ किया। तो आइए आज हम अपना टॉपिक स्टार्ट करते हैं। हम हाफ के बारे में पढ़ते हैं।
फ्रैक्शन।
हम absolutely see we how beautifully you gave me the answer that we are going to start with fraction. I never took the name of fractions, but we spoke about 11. What a smart people we all have. And yes, these emojis play a big role. The children, if my kids are there in the class, I take their names. Smart Yuval, happy Yuval, sincere Samaya, and the kids feel so happy. मैंने अभी एक आपके सामने काटा, and everybody gave me the answer fractions. You gave me the answer halves. Absolutely right, absolutely right. Great. अच्छा, fractions को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? Anybody? And please, I want noise. बात करिए। Fractions को हिंदी में क्या कहेंगे? Anybody?
हाँ,
Anybody? Yes, yes.
भाग करना है, टुकड़ा टुकड़ा करना,
भाग करना, किसी चीज का भाग करना, उसको भिन्न भिन्न तरीके से करना। एब्सोल्युटली एब्सोल्युटली। अब ऐसा है, कॉपी में तो हम फ्रैक्शंस को बाद में पढ़ाएंगे। मुझे ये बताइएगा कि किसी ने घर में केक बेक किया?
yes,
Whenever I am, yes. तो मैम बेकिंग सोडा कितना डाला? बेकिंग पाउडर कितना डाला? How much do we put it? And see, I get to know, when I am talking to kids, not only about fractions, I want their attention to where I am using something in real life. My daughter is 2.5 years old. मेरी मम्मी पिज्जा लाई, वाटरमेलन लाई, और मैंने उसके इक्वल शेयर किए। मैंने कुकिंग किया, बेकिंग किया, और हम घर में कितनी बार बोलते हैं पिंच ऑफ सॉल्ट डालना है, एक चुटकी भर नमक डालना है, 1/4 टीस्पून बेकिंग सोडा डालना है या बेकिंग पाउडर डालना है। हमने क्या किया? डॉक्टर के पास गए, डॉक्टर ने बोला कि बेटा सिर्फ हाफ टेबल स्पून दवाई लेना। हमने खाना खाया, पिज्जा खाया, हमें फ्रेंड्स ने इक्वल शेयरिंग करी, हमें 1/6 वाटरमेलन मिला। मेरे मार्क्स कितने आए टेस्ट में? 19 आउट ऑफ 20 आए। मैंने कहीं फ्रैक्शंस का नाम नहीं लिया, बट बच्चे को ये पता चल गया कि ये फ्रैक्शंस है। ओके, व्हाट इज द टाइम शोन इन द क्लॉक? 12:15। My first half of the day is very busy. बच्चे कह रहे हैं मैम फर्स्ट हाफ तो हम सारा टाइम कंप्यूटर के आगे बैठे रहते हैं। What is this half? Talk to them, show them situations, and show them images. Talk to them in a way कि बच्चा मैथ्स से उठकर जिंदगी में आए। Can you tell me the name of the player here? Can anybody tell me the name of the player here?
number 10,
Messi. He is Messi's, yeah, famous football player. And believe me, when I show these things in the class, फ्रैक्शंस की बात तो होती ही है, बट साथ में मेसी की बात भी होती है। बच्चे साथ में रिलेट भी करते हैं कि फुटबॉल खेली उन्होंने, मेसी को फॉलो किया, रोनाल्डो को फॉलो किया, दे टॉक अबाउट मैराडोना। एंड जब किसी भी चीज को हम जिंदगी से जोड़ देते हैं, लाइफ से जोड़ देते हैं, लर्निंग ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाती है। And I believe it builds a very strong, interesting base of the class. Very strong, interesting base of the class. All right. Show them picture, because maths at seniors classes, yes, we have to follow the syllabus. But when we are talking and when we are teaching the kids, why to just teach? Why not talk about all the things which will enhance, which will just broaden their horizons? So this is how
Ma'am,
we
basically you're saying that we should teach them more visually, visual thinking, visual methods,
ab-
showing
ab-
and
ab-
learning.
absolutely, ma'am. Thank you. Okay. So here at the same time, let's help Riddhi and Siddhi to recall the fraction. Somebody can tell me what fraction of the pizza I'm sharing with Neena, ma'am? Please type in the chat windows. Yes. Okay, it's 2/3. Okay, now I'm sharing my cookie with Neena, ma'am. Please type your answers. How much cookie I'm sharing? You can talk also. How much cookie I'm sharing with Neena, ma'am?
1/4, 1/3, 2/3, half.
Half. Here it is half. And since Neena ma'am and I baked some donuts together and we named ourselves Riddhi and Siddhi. So 1/4 I took, and since ma'am's favorite color is green, so 3/4 was shared with ma'am.
Wow. For sharing so much, because I didn't have anything with my child. So now so many items to choose.
So I believe, yes, teach through visuals. And I believe the online platform has given us a very big opportunity in the way that preparation, we can prepare a lot in advance. We can prepare a lot in advance. We can talk, we can prepare our lessons, we can include visuals, we can include lot of videos. This is I included a GIF for teaching fractions to class 5 kids, and included videos in their class. And there was the birthday of a child in that on that particular day, and everybody has so much fun, whether it is a class 4th child, 5th child. I believe these things make your class very interesting. It just enhances the appeal of the class also. And at the same time, maths teacher is not having an image that, ma'am badi strict hogi. Not at all. Let's integrate our things together. At the same time, bilingual approach is very important, I believe, because we are catering to a heterogeneous crowd. We cater to children of all the backgrounds. So I believe a bilingual approach is very important, and at the time of our classes. Okay, what problems in other area where in mathematics where kids feel that how we are going to do it? In the classes, yes, we talk. In the online classes, we took this example of eggs. And at the same time, I thought, why not talk about eggs to the children? Why not everybody talk about eggs? अच्छा बताइए egg को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? Can please chat here.
अंडा.
मुर्गी से है आया अंडा या अंडे से आई मुर्गी? किसने खाया अंडा पहले? मैंने खाया. आपने खाया? किस दिन खाया? संडे खाया, मंडे खाया, वेडनेसडे खाया या नहीं खाया? On the spot, these giggles, some kind of music makes your class just so much fun. At the same time, including images in your presentations, talking about simple things, talking about the benefits, including these colorful images where you can, I'll just take it to the slideshow again. Makes class really interesting. Okay, and let's talk about dozen. Dozen को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? सब बच्चों को पता है. Suppose I'm talking to a 12-year-old child. Dozen को हिंदी में दर्जन कहते हैं. But tell them, talk to them. अच्छा, आपके घर में दर्जन में क्या आता है? क्या आता है दर्जन में? Somebody can tell me anything which comes by dozen in their houses. Please speak up.
Bananas.
Bananas. Very good. My son is standing next to me and he says, Mama, आप 12 packets of juice लाए थे, तो वो भी dozen है. And see how it's just that you just talk, and along with the maths, so many other things come into the classroom, and kids
Color pencil, ma'am.
Absolutely. Color pens, a packet of color pencils. Yes. How beautiful. How beautiful.
Sketch pen.
Sketch pens. Great, ma'am. Great, great, great. So what is 2 dozen equal to? अगर 1 dozen में 12 है ma'am, and तो 2 dozen में कितना होगा? बताइए everybody.
24.
बताइए.
4.
Absolutely. 24. 24. एंड यू नो, अच्छा एक चीज और आ जाती है इसमें एलिमेंट्री अप्रोच में कि हम कितना इंफॉर्मेशन दे बच्चों को. अगर मैं क्लास 1 के बच्चे को पढ़ा रही हूँ, मैं कहूंगी बेटा डजन दर्जन 12 चीजें होती हैं. मैंने उसको भी मल्टीप्लिकेशन नहीं सिखाया, मैंने एडिशन नहीं सिखाया. एक इंफॉर्मेशन एज अ टीचर्स वी विल डिसाइड हाउ मच इंफॉर्मेशन टू गिव एट व्हाट स्टेज. I am talking to a 10-year-old child. Yes, I'll ask. Okay, what is 2 dozen? Okay, what is half dozen? And let the children come up with the answer, ma'am. 12, 24.
No, ma'am. 6-year-old also can tell because they know 2 times
Great.
table.
Great, ma'am. Great. Great, ma'am. Great. Absolutely great. You know, India world education system, whether it's a 6-year-old child, 7, 8, 9, 10-year-old child, we know the crowd we are dealing with. Let us explore. Let us just give them information, keeping in mind their mental level, keeping in mind that enjoy with them. I believe, you know, as Nina ma'am said, voice modulation. As Nina ma'am said, these activities and the way we talk, humor, warmth, songs, these all are parts
Ma'am,
and parcels
starter
of
activities does wonders. You know, starter activities at the beginning
Ah,
of the class. Play
absolutely,
music,
absolutely,
sing.
absolutely, ma'am. I am going to teach you. I am going to teach you about a handstand game now. Let's play a handstand game here. All right. Okay. How many of us has done handstand? How many of us has done handstand? Do you know what is handstand? Please chat. Please chat. Come on. What is a handstand? I had to teach reciprocal. I had to teach reciprocal. Yes, ma'am. Please speak. Please speak. Please speak. Please unmute yourself and speak. Please unmute yourself. Okay. Handstand. Like kids know what is a handstand. हम लोग बड़े हो गए हैं और handstand. We are standing like this. See here, alphabet A is standing like this. Handstand में क्या होता है? And मैंने बच्चों से कहा मुझे नहीं पता handstand क्या होता है. And there is a girl coming to me, ma'am. मैं तो इतनी अच्छा जिम्नास्ट करती हूँ. हैंडस्टैंड का मतलब होता है सोनाली मैम सर के बल खड़े हो जाना. मैंने कहा ठीक है, फिर चलो अल्फाबेट्स को हैंडस्टैंड कराते हैं. तो बताइए, अगर मेरे पास ये अल्फाबेट ए है, मैं इसको हैंडस्टैंड कराऊंगी तो क्या होगा इसका? उसने कहा मैम ये उल्टा हो जाएगा. मैंने कहा ठीक है, चलो इसको उल्टा कर देते हैं. I asked again, कौन सा अल्फाबेट ऐसा है जिसको मैं हैंडस्टैंड कराऊंगी और वो सेम रहेगा? एंड किड्स आर टेलिंग,
U.
सॉरी मैम,
Letter U.
लेटर यू. एब्सोल्युटली. मैं बच्चों के साथ हैंडस्टैंड, you know, discuss the kids with handstand. Kids discuss the kids with handstand and then introduce the concept of.
जो curved base होता है उसका
Absolutely. Introduce the concept of reciprocal of fractions. Introduce the concept of reciprocal of fractions. As one ma'am pointed out, कि games do wonders. I played this game with kids in the class, and here I'm preparing the slide in front of you here. You know, we already prepared our lessons in advance, and मुझे reciprocal of fractions समझाने में बच्चों को कोई problem नहीं हुई. That numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator. With a handstand game, they were absolutely clear. We have to stand upside down, and the class whole topic gets easily taught. Let's talk about कि अब हम इस mathematics की क्लास में EVS को कैसे लाएं. मैथ्स की क्लास में हम EVS को कैसे लाएं. So there is a 40 liter of milk in a store, और मेरे पास मुझे दूध पीना अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था. Encourage the kids to find out how milk makes you strong. आजकल कोविड-19 का टाइम है, घर में मिल्क सबका आता है. Take a milk packet with you. I believe, yeah. See, this milk packet is with me. Read simple. Read out this with it. अच्छा, आप अपना milk packet read करिए. आप बताइए. अच्छा, ये बताओ मदर मिल्क इसके ऊपर लिखा क्या है? कोई कह रहा है मदर डेयरी लिखा है, कोई कह रहा है वर्का लिखा है, अमूल लिखा है. Talk to them about it and encourage them to find out. अच्छा, मिल्क पीने से होता क्या है? कितने ग्लास दूध पिया था? मम्मी से पूछा कभी कि मम्मी से बात करके बताओ अगली क्लास में, टॉक टू देम कि बताइए बेटा, व्हाट इज द प्राइस ऑफ द मिल्क, व्हाट इज द क्वांटिटी
What's the weight
of
of the
milk
milk?
packets coming to your house? अच्छा,
How
what
many
milk
liters?
packets are? Sorry ma'am,
Weight
I'm not
also.
able to get your voice ma'am.
नहीं, measurement कर सकते हैं ना, कितने लीटर्स का है?
See ma'am, see absolutely right ma'am. मैंने बच्चों को काउंटिंग इंट्रोड्यूस करनी थी, मेरे मिल्क को ऐसे यूज किया. मैंने बच्चों को फ्रैक्शंस पढ़ाना था, मैंने कहा कि ये मिल्क पैकेट है, आप आई टेक यू टू द प्रीवियस स्लाइड. ओके, आप मदर डेयरी जाइए, आप किसी भी टॉपिक को किसी तरीके से इंटीग्रेट कर सकते हैं. हाउ मच मिल्क इज कमिंग टू द डेयरी एंड हाउ मच इज सोल्ड. आपने नंबर्स निकाला, आप उनका फ्रैक्शन निकालिए. आपको मिल्क पैकेट यूज करना है, आप डेसिमल पढ़ा रहे हैं, इसकी न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू इज रिटन एट द बैक, आप डेसिमल्स में यूज करिए. आपको यूनिट्स गिवन है लीटर्स में, आप उसको मेजरमेंट में यूज करिए. द वर्ल्ड इज वास्ट, द टॉपिक इज एट योर डिस्पोजल, व्हाटएवर वे you want to use it. How now CBSE nowadays is really encouraging how to introduce competency based learning, art integration learning. I believe not many kids know how to set the curd at home. So along with
Experiential learning.
experiential learning, ask them to set the curd with the help of elders at home. Ask them to mix flavors with it, and your environmental studies or EVS automatically gets integrated.
Yes.
It's automatically. अच्छा, maths बहुत हो गया, and I am a maths person, so I was talking about maths, but I believe a bilingual approach is very important. And during the initial years of my career, I taught 1 year, I taught class 1 children, class 2 children. So here I would like to share some more examples about my own journey of teaching career. Let's see the examples from Hindi. मैंने पनघट पढ़ाया, मैंने बर्तन पढ़ाया. चलो गर्मी के दिन है, कुछ शरबत बनाए. आजकल ऑनलाइन टीचिंग चल रही है एंड गर्मी के दिन है, बच्चों ने 4 मात्रा के शब्द पढ़े, कितना बोरिंग है. अच्छा, बच्चे ने हिंदी पढ़ ली, शरबत पढ़ा. बच्चों को बोलिए, आप आजकल तो हम अपलोड करते हैं वर्क सारा, कि चलो एक छोटा सा शरबत बनाओ घर पे मम्मी की हेल्प से. नींबू लो, चीनी लो, नमक लो, वो बच्चा शरबत लिखना, शरबत को पीना, शरबत का स्वाद कभी भूलेगा नहीं.
इंग्रेडिएंट्स
कभी
भी पता
भूलेगा
चल.
नहीं. एट द सेम टाइम मम्मी ये बोलेगी, बेटा ये नींबू पानी है, ये जूस है. बच्चा आपको नेक्स्ट डे बताता है, मैम शरबत बनाया. आप बात करिए बच्चे से, शरबत का स्वाद कैसा था? तीखा था, कड़वा था, मसालेदार था, खट्टा था. एंड एट द सेम टाइम बच्चे को पता चल जाएगा कि विशेषण क्या होते हैं. आप बेशक विशेषण शब्द के बारे में बात मत करिए, बट बताइए, अच्छा सॉल्टी था, स्वीट था, स्पाइसी था, टैंजी था. एक हिंदी क्लास हिंदी की ना होकर एक ऐसी क्लास बन जाएगी कि बच्चा जब आपकी क्लास में आ रहा है तो वो एक्साइटेड होकर आ रहा है, एंथुसियास्टिक होकर आ रहा है कि मैम को मैं बताऊंगा मेरा स्वाद कैसा था शरबत का. Language fun, I believe a bilingual approach at the same time enhancing the vocabulary of the kids is very, very important, and we all should encourage kids to do that. When I was talking E-Matra to the kids, मैंने बच्चों के साथ ये देखिए, अगर आप सबके पास पेपर है तो आप मेरे साथ ये बना सकते हैं. ये बताइए ये शेप कौन सी है, हम क्या बनाने जा रहे हैं? ई मात्रा से वो पक्षी उड़ता है, बताइए ये कौन सी शेप है? आप सबकी स्क्रीन पर है, बताइए.
Ma'am, you'll have to share screen.
Can't
Okay.
see. Yeah,
Chidiya.
can't see.
Okay, I'll just share my screen.
Chidiya.
Absolutely. Are you all able to see my screen now?
No, ma'am.
I'll just share.
No.
Yeah, I'll share. Okay. So we are going to make a chidiya and
Dog.
a duck. अच्छा, duck को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं?
Kutta.
Duck को हिंदी में बत्तख and
Duck.
duck, बत्तख, चिड़िया and अच्छा चिड़िया उड़ गई, तिल गिनकर खा गई. अच्छा, अपनी अपनी चिड़िया की मुझे क्वालिटीज बताइए. चिड़िया आसमान में उड़ी, मेरी चिड़िया रंगीन है, मेरी चिड़िया मैम छोटी है, मेरी चिड़िया बड़ी है,
चिड़िया
मेरी
चींची करती है.
चिड़िया को मैंने अपने साथ शरबत पिलाया. प्लीज ब्यूटीफुल. एंड डू यू नो दैट स्पैरो इज द स्टेट बर्ड ऑफ दिल्ली. जैसे मेरे घर का एक एड्रेस है, तो दिल्ली का भी मैंने एक स्टेट बर्ड बना दिया जिसका नाम है स्पैरो, चिड़िया. So this was all from my side. Let's combine our subjects together. Let's explore the world together, and let's give a unique color and make a rainbow in the sky of children. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you so much, Matthew sir and Nina ma'am, for this wonderful platform. And thank you all,
Thank
a
you.
wonderful audience. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Sonali ma'am. It was good.
Thank you, Sonali ma'am. Indeed, it was wonderful. Both the sessions I really enjoyed, and I'm sure the others also enjoyed. Thanks to all the participants. My special thanks to Prem Kumar sir, who's attending our session, Archana ma'am, who's attending our session, all principals of schools. So my gratitude, and also our very old members. I can see Ritika ma'am and other members here. So thanks for attending. I mean, this is how we encourage each other. This is our platform. So that's why I say prepare a program and then we post it. Okay, we are all here to share what we know. So there is no one who is lecturing another person. This platform is for each one of you. So that is why our aim, the Educators Forum's aim, is that everyone should be able to come on a platform like this. Because all of us have some ideas. All of us have got so much of teaching experience. And this is the platform where we can share our resources with other fellow educators. So thank you once again. And if there is anyone else who wish to say something, they can go ahead. Archana ma'am, would you like to say something?
Thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity to speak. I thoroughly enjoyed both the sessions. It's nice to be a teacher and to learn from a teacher. No matter where we read, I am a principal, but I'm still a teacher at heart. And I think I learned quite a bit about elementary education. Nina ma'am, your session was also very interactive, and there is so much of learning. I always feel that there is so much to learn from one another, isn't it? So I would really love to see more of such sessions, and I would also like to host some. I've been talking to Matthew sir about it, and this session made me really think about how dedicated our teachers really are and so enthusiastic. And like Nina ma'am said, I'm in love with technology. We are seeing that all around. Teachers are doing such wonderful jobs everywhere. You know? So it's incredible. Hats off to you, both of you. Wonderful session.
Thank you so much. Archana ma'am is attending the session from Mumbai.
Thank
She is
you
the
so
principal
much.
of St. Joseph's, Mumbai. So Prem Kumar sir, would you like to say something?
Good evening, Matthew sir. Good evening, Madam Nina. It's always a pleasure to be associated with educators like both of you who have been doing yeoman service to so many young teachers. As Mrs. Archana said, I too am a principal, but I love the way Mrs. Sunail Suri, with her energy-packed session, and of course Nina ma'am is a replica of you, Matthew, sir, in her passion and in her delivery. So it's always, a gratifying moment, if you ask me. And I would certainly be able to contribute to these people, but unfortunately, my subject is at the higher level, like you. So I can't come down to these primary teachers all of a sudden. If I may do, I will be a miserable failure in front of Madam Sunila Suri. So maybe one day, yes, let me think of doing some contribution to the education fraternity of your team, Matthew, sir. And I can only say a big thank you to you and Madam Nina. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. And it's always, he has been a great mentor. He is the principal of Bhavans in Kuwait, one of the biggest schools there, and he's a mentor for our forum. So it is indeed a pleasure that when principals encourage us and motivate us for conducting more such programs. So we have just about 4 minutes left. So all those who can come on camera, I will request for the photograph. And this is video will be available. So if you can come on camera, it will be good. At least we can take a group photographs. So I'll request all those who can come on camera to switch on their videos. Yeah, thank you so much. I mean, now, we don't go to schools, we don't get to meet our colleagues. So, it's so depressing actually, because we are so social people, teachers, that we are sitting in front of a computer and talking. It's so at least we should see faces. Yeah, so thank you so much for all those who are able to come on the video. Great. I'll just take a screenshot. I'll be sharing in the group. Smiling faces. Thank you. Once again, let me check the other. Just keep your cameras on, please. Thank you. 1 minute.
One of the greatest
The
disadvantages.
video I'll be sharing shortly. Probably today night or tomorrow it will be available. So thank you so much once again for attending, and hope to see you for our forthcoming sessions. We have more or less every day, but now since the schools have reopened, all of us have got into that, rigor of preparations of exams and online teaching and all that. So we are getting less time. But in spite of the pressures, I'm sure that we will be able to meet once in a week, once in a fortnight. So thank you so much. With these words, I think we'll close down. Unless anyone wants to have the last word. Ritika ma'am, you want to say something?
Sir, all your sessions are wonderful, sir. I've been attending some of them. I got 1 or 2 certificates as well. Sir, one doubt I had, or rather one help, that if you could tell us, we live in Lagos, Nigeria, and if we want to pay, it's only through India you're asking, Paytm or something like that. But it's been difficult for us to pay. If I want a certificate, could I not pay on Visa or something like that from here?
Yeah,
So
actually,
that,
yeah, this is also, we are considering the outstation candidates also, because they have told that they wish to participate, because people from Nigeria, you're from Nigeria, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah, Nigeria,
So
Lagos.
we have people from Nigeria and many other countries have joining in. So there is a problem of this transaction. But I think account transfer will be possible. So I think we can do that at a later stage. Maybe we can decide on some common thing and then we'll let you know.
And sir, the amount is so minimal.